Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're back with the daily uploads. I am out of the craziness and let's do something new today. So, if you haven't figured this out already, the Savage Sellers course is out. Full Amazon FBA course, just as good as any $500 course, but it's pay what you want. So we're just on the website. It's the first link in the description right here. You click in here, and for some reason I get giant on desktop. And right in here, you can type in any amount you want to pay for it. So if you can't afford the full amount, you just say you could put instead of 300, you do 200, and you would just hit add to cart. And then for whatever reason, it like always takes like 4 seconds, and then it'll pull you up to the next page. Perfect. And then you just check out. And that's it, guys. You could get the course. It'll be sent to your email. So other than that, let's jump into some product research. We're going to be trying something new today, guys. I picked up the Niche Hunter. And let's, how do you reset? Reset. So this is the Niche Hunter, Jungle Scout Niche Hunter. This is in the $69 Jungle Scout. Pretty cool. I've been playing around with this for the past couple minutes, and it's just before I started up the video. It's pretty cool. So what it does is the Jungle Scout Niche Hunter. If you don't have Jungle Scout, by the way, it'll there'll be a link in the description that says Jungle Scout. It's an affiliate link, so support me. Helps me out if you pick it up through my link if you're going to get it anyway. It's a really crucial part of doing product research. So we have the Niche Hunter pulled up here. Now, excuse me if I don't know every feature of this. I really just wanted to make it because I don't know every feature, and I wanted to like explore it for the first time with you guys. So it looks kind of familiar, right? We have categories here, but what the Jungle Scout Niche Hunter does differently than the product database is it's actually going to show you keywords instead of product pictures and specific listings. So it's going to show you like what you would type into Amazon and then pull up the Chrome extension on. Pretty cool. So let's try it out. We'll do maybe, patio, lawn, and garden. Yeah, that's good, right? Should we do one more maybe? We'll do patio, lawn, and garden and home and kitchen. How about that? And so average units sold. So you get a slider here instead of being able to input something. So we're going to set this right to our criteria, right? We want to sell 10 products a day. And this is monthly. So that would be 300 a month. So let's just say something like maybe like 200 and something. Because if they're selling a little less than 300 a month, we could probably, and there's consistently people doing that, we could come in there and sell more if we improve the product. And then we don't want too many here. So maybe we'll pull that down to like 900 units per month, right? Nah, 1,000's cool actually. We'll do 1,000. That's fine. That's plenty of it's okay if someone's selling 1,000. We wouldn't want to be seeing someone selling like 3,000. Reason being, if someone's selling 3,000 units per month, that's 100 a day. There's no way you're going to be able to, with a beginner starter budget, rank against them. They're going to hold that spot. Average price, again, we want to be selling, like 13 to maybe 25, right? So we'll go 13 to do a little bit higher. We'll do like 43. See if some higher ticket items. Opportunity score. For those of you who have the Pro Chrome extension, you'll know what that is. Little number that pops up in the top of the Chrome extension. I just use the light one personally. But yeah, probably I might upgrade soon. And the competition here is, what is that? Competition, what does that do? Oh, so it's a scale. I got it. Just like the LQS. So competition, let's go lower competition. We'll do like a 4 for competition. We want low competition. And then listing quality score. No, we'll go lower than that even. We'll do 3. Listing quality score. I'm okay with them having nice listings because we could always improve the product itself. And then word count. This is really interesting. So that's referring to this right here. So like this is 3 word count. Like what does membership? I don't know what that is, but 4 would be like, is there 4 in here? Epson XP printer cord, right? So if you want to do words that are only like 2 are super broad, or 4 is like a more long tail word. So I think we're good. Let's check it out. All right. So now we're just looking for words that look good. Okay, definitely not anything holiday. Humidifier cleaning solution. Probably not. That sounds chemically. Or liquid. Don't want that. Nothing to do with holiday stuff. I drink because. What is that? Is that like a cup? Okay, that's kind of irrelevant. Let's see. So basically what we're doing is average units sold. Oh, okay. So we have 1,000 plus on. Let's lower that. Let's put it to like that and then hit search. Average units sold. There we go. Now we're good. So the average units sold, if you have it too high, it's going to show you bigger, more competitive products. A low number means few products under this keyword sell well. A high number of good opportunity. Okay, perfect. And competition is really low. Sweet. So now let's start looking through here. See, we're figuring this out. What's an alien grinder? Okay. That's actually technically against terms of service, like herbal grinders. Let's see. So yeah, this is kind of interesting. I'm used to looking for pictures, and instead I'm like thinking of keywords that sound good together. But again, you're seeing different products, different results showing up, so it's kind of cool. A pine nugget. I'm not sure I understand which one of those products that is. And we just have, what, 2 categories picked? We could do some more categories too. Yeah, why don't we do that? And we'll mess around with this a little bit more. So we'll go arts, crafts, and sewing, and beauty and personal care. We'll get a bunch of stuff in there. Opportunity score, 0 to 10, that's fine. Average price, let's lower that down. 26. Less monthly sales. Something like that. Competition, lower. Listing quality score, it's all good. All right. You know what? I want to see all the listings. So we'll do full listing quality score. Because, like I said, I don't necessarily care if someone has a good listing. I could make a better product and a good listing. So, what is a grow plug? Okay. So it's for hydroponics. Seed starter plugs. Yeah. Okay. I don't see anyone that stands out really that well. Okay. Kind of interesting though. Let's keep looking here. It's like crickets, right? Cheap gum. That's kind of funny that someone is searching for that. Let's see. It kind of makes me dizzy looking at all the words, to be honest. Pizza wine, what does that even mean? I could see how this is cool. It really puts you outside of your comfort zone because you're just used to, like, seeing the products, blah, blah, blah. And now I'm hearing of some things I would have never thought or heard of or seen in the web app. So I'm not saying I don't like it. I'm definitely going to be messing around with this. What do you guys think? I think it's cool. So it shows you, what is a eyelash curler tart? That's what those are called? A tart? Tarte? So it shows you the average monthly units sold for a specific product. Shows you it's low competition, right? Listing quality scores are on average are really low for these. And it has really high opportunity scores. Cool. A threader flosser. Oh, we got Glide up in there. That's not gonna work. Okay, there's pages and pages and pages. Let's see. High energy seed. Okay. Nope. I want that. Applewood planks for cooking. Okay. Wood chunks. Problem is, it's going to be a really hard time importing wood from China that's not treated. From like insects and native creatures and whatnot. A cannabis scented candle. That's trendy. Most people try and get the smell of cannabis out of their room. Okay. I mean, let's check it out. We'll go to Amazon. Didn't spell that right. That's okay. You make me log in like this in front of everyone. Okay. Are we good? All right. This area looks good. Okay, well that's not the right thing. That's not either. Bad product. I don't know, Niche Hunter. What are you doing? The funny part is, realistically, you probably go buy this many bad products on the web app or the Chrome extension. Wait, what? The product database. Said the wrong thing twice. But it's just so much more entertaining because you're looking at pictures and you could just like fly by them. These you kind of have to go slower because you're looking. But I do like how you could sort by this stuff or filter by this. So average units sold, sorting by that, and competition, and being able to pull up a keyword is pretty cool. Let me know if you guys want. You could try it out and let me know what you think. Maybe I'm doing something a little bit wrong here. I wasn't able to find anything good. Usually by now we would have found something pretty good with the product database. But yeah, second video for the day. Hopefully you guys are all loving the course, and if you haven't yet, definitely pick it up. It's the first link in the description. We're going to end it there, and I will see you guys tomorrow.